This garden light has no sensor, no switch. Then how does it know when to come on? While the garden light has no sensor or switch, it works around this by some very clever engineering that we'll see if we just crack it open. Inside, we find a simple set of components: a solar panel, a rechargeable battery, an LED, an integrated circuit, and an inductor. During the day, this solar cell recharges the battery, and at the same time acts like a light sensor. As long as sunlight is hitting it, the panel produces voltage. The controlling chip sees the voltage and keeps the LED switched off. When night falls, the solar panel's output drops. The chip signals to the LED that there's a problem and the battery is about 1.2 volts. An LED like this needs at least 2.5 to 3.5 volts to light. Here's how it all works. The solar panel does two jobs at once. During the day, it charges the battery and tells the controller chip to keep the LED off. At night, when the panel stops producing voltage, the YX805 IC chip takes over. This chip and this 81 microhenry inductor form a tiny boost converter. The chip rapidly switches the inductor on and off. Each time it switches off, the inductor releases stored energy, stacking it onto the battery's voltage. That's how 1.2 volts from the battery is stepped up to about 3 to 5 volts, enough to power the LED. This clever setup means no separate switch or sensor is needed. The solar panel doubles as a sensor. The inductor boosts the voltage. The chip manages the entire cycle. The inductor's value is chosen carefully so the pulses are efficient, allowing a small battery to keep the light glowing for hours every night. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for what I got planned for the future.